All right, this is the Carrier Transicold truck and trailer, actually trail and rail refrigeration. This is operation and service manual. It's the complete manual. There's 330 pages. So it's for the Vector 2500 single temp trailer and rail refrigeration units with advanced microprocessor. And again, this is the factory manual. This is the same manual that the dealers use. Then you can come in here and click on each section where you want to go, the filter dryer, evaporator section, system operating controls, and components, automatic startup, special features, electronic modules, light bar, engine data, compressor data, refrigeration, electrical data. This is all of the amp draws for the different components. And if we scroll down here, we can also get a PDF file and then go down to the different sections that we want. This is alarm codes. So these are all of the alarm codes that are in this unit. And each alarm code has a diagnostics. So alarm code number 1 will be low fuel warning. Alarm code number 2 is low engine oil level warning. And it tells you corrective action. 7.4 is shutdown alarms. So 11 is low engine oil pressure. So this lists all of the alarms that could generate from this unit. And right down here is the wiring. So the last page is the wiring. These are the wire pin locations for the different connectors. This is the 2 amp black, and this is the 3 amp gray. The 4. And then on the last few pages is the wiring diagram for these units, for this unit. Okay, so this is a factory manual. You can click the link below to download now. After payment is processed, you'll have instant access to the manual electronically. You can view it on any phone or any tablet or any computer.